name is Dr. Kylie Axford and I'm the founder of the Spinal Flow Technique, and I wanted to do a video today to explain a little bit more about the Spinal Flow Technique, what it is, what it looks like, and why I've created it. So the biggest thing of why I've created the Spinal Flow Technique is to make a difference in the world. There are so many people that are suffering, that have pain, that have stress, that are not okay in their bodies. And what I have realized in the years and years that I have been working with the body is that life can be different. And I also know that at the center of a lot of our stress and a lot of our body aches and pain is the spine and the nervous system. So Spinal Flow Technique has been developed around the spine and the nervous system. We really focus on the brain, the spinal cord, knowing that that's our master organ. You've got the brain here, sends out a spinal cord through here. All those nerves come out to every single cell, organ, tissue of the body. And stress that we have in our lives, if we have physical, chemical, and emotional stress in our life, that stores in our bodies, in our spine, somewhere along the spinal column. So in the Spinal Flow Technique, one of the biggest things we do is we locate any blockages. A blockage, a spinal blockages, is caused from stress. Physical, chemical, and emotional stress that stores in the spine. So the first thing we do in the Spinal Flow Technique is we have a feel to see where are these blockages. Spinal Flow practitioners learn to feel where a blockage is in the spine. They're able to place their hands on the body and actually feel to see where there's a blockage and where there's not. A blockage feels like that, stuckness. So rather than the vertebra having movement, the vertebra is stuck. So that's one thing that Spinal Flow practitioners are able to feel using their hands, exactly where a blockage is in the body. The other thing we look at is where is stress stored. Our bodies can be filled with layers of physical stress, chemical stress, and emotional stress. So what we do with the Spinal Flow Technique is we're able to place our hands on the body and feel where is there chemical stress stored in the body? Where is there emotional stress stored? Where is there physical stress? So once we're gathering that information in the body, we want to help the body heal. We help the body heal by using the Spinal Flow Technique, which centers around 33 access points. These access points are on the meninges of the spine. So the meninges are what surrounds the brain and the spinal cord. The reason we work with the spine is because we want to create the most direct response. We want to help the body heal in a way that the body's going to remember, and it's going to be long lasting. So an access point is that area that when you make a contact there, it feels like you're connecting with the life force inside the body, the wisdom. And that wisdom is what travels up and down the spine as spinal flow. So once we find that access point, which you do learn how to find those access points in the Spinal Flow certification program, we're watching for spinal flow. Now, spinal flow travels up and down the body. Spinal flow is a life force wisdom inside the body, the innate intelligence, the wisdom inside the body that helps the body heal. Healing happens from inside. It's not practitioners saying, woohoo, I want to heal you. It's let me facilitate what your body knows. Your body has a wisdom inside it already. Every single body is smart, it's intelligent. But you know what happened? Life got in the way, and the stresses in our life created stress and blockages in the system. But with the Spinal Flow Technique, you learn how to find that, identify that, and release the blockages for your clients, so your clients can connect to that wisdom, that spinal flow inside their system. And when that spinal flow, when you can embody that spinal flow, it comes up and down the body. It can have large movements, it can have stillness, it can have more breath. It comes and it looks in different shapes and forms, but the main thing is that that's the wisdom inside the body. And by helping that flow, vertebra by vertebra, what happens is that wisdom inside the body is where the healing happens. And we work with the Spinal Flow Technique how to facilitate that so the body can connect to the wisdom that's inside the body for healing to happen. And our practitioners are tracking this flow. They're watching it, they're making sure that vertebra by vertebra, it's not missing any part, it's able to come through that spine for healing to happen. The process is amazing. It's beautiful when you connect to the wisdom inside your body and you know that your body's able to heal. Your body has everything inside. And as a spinal flow practitioner, it's like a dance. It's like working with someone's body and allowing their body to be free so their body can release blockages, release the layers, and embody spinal flow so healing can happen. So the modality is a fast, effective way for healing to happen. It's a way to really help people with stress in their bodies, blockages in their system, have less blockages, less stress, so life can be different. Spinal flow helps people, can be with headaches and back pain and digestive issues and hormonal, people that just are feeling like, I just don't know what's going on, I'm tired, I'm stressed, I just don't feel good inside my body. It's bringing that wisdom inside your body to wake up and be free for healing to happen.